Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of BMW's latest offerings. Buckle up as we uncover the sleek evolution of the iconic X3 series and explore the electrifying future of BMW's lineup. But before we delve in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and share this video with your fellow BMW aficionados to stay updated on all things automotive. Now let's talk about the next generation BMW X3. Say goodbye to the familiar, as the replacement for the combustion-powered BMW X3 is embracing a fresh design direction. Unlike its electric counterpart, which we'll touch on shortly, the new X3 is sticking to tradition with a subtle evolution in its styling. Our renderings of the BMW X3 Generation reveal a sleeker body underneath that swirly camouflage. The iconic double-kidney grille remains true to its roots, maintaining its prominence without overwhelming the front fascia. Flanked by slim headlights with angular integrated LED daytime running lights, this next-gen X3 exudes a refined yet unmistakably BMW aesthetic. But here's the catch: the electrified model won't be hitting the roads of the United States initially, much to the disappointment of many BMW enthusiasts. However, for those lucky enough to experience it elsewhere, BMW promises an upgraded battery with enhanced electric range, setting a new standard for eco-friendly driving. Internally known as the G45 codename, the 2025 BMW X3 boasts more than just a cosmetic facelift. Engineers have meticulously fine-tuned its aerodynamics, lowering the drag coefficient to enhance fuel efficiency. With a wider track and reduced lift at the rear axle, this revamped X3 promises a more exhilarating driving experience without sacrificing comfort. And for those craving even more performance, an optional adaptive chassis with electronically controlled shock absorbers will be available at an additional cost. Coupled with a more direct steering ratio and the latest safety features, BMW is confident that the revamped X3 will surpass all expectations on the road. But what about the future of electric mobility? BMW gave us a glimpse with the Vision Neue Klasse X, hinting at what's to come with the iX3. Set to debut in 2025, this zero-emission crossover will redefine luxury with its spacious interior and advanced technology. While it may lose the iDrive dial, the iX3 promises a seamless driving experience thanks to its dedicated EV underpinnings and extended wheelbase. As we eagerly anticipate the arrival of the next-generation X3 with gasoline, diesel, and plug-in hybrid powertrains, one thing's for sure: BMW is paving the way for a future where performance meets sustainability. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest automotive innovations right here on our channel. Thanks for watching.